Hi, Jace. Okay, let's do our animals. What's that? Moo, a cow. What's a horse say? What does a turkey say?
No.
Flamingo, okay. What does an alligator say? Bear, what does a bear say? Grr. What about that? What's that? Hippo, that is right. Let's see. Okay, what does a donkey say? Hee-haw. What about a turkey? Gobble, gobble, gobble. What about a goat? Goat. What does a goat say? What does a pig say? What about a lion? Rawr. What about an elephant? No, an elephant. Yeah, it's a good pig. What does an elephant say? That is right. What about a crab? Pinch, pinch, pinch. Okay, what about an owl? Ooh, ooh. Oh, what about a shark? Donut, donut. Okay. Is that all of our animals? That was good animal talking today. Baby. What's that?
Banana.
Banana.